もよりプライドミドル級メインイベントを行います。
And now, the Pride Middleweight Main Event!
青コーナー選手の入場です。
In the blue corner! From Brazil! Anderson the Spider Silva!
赤コーナー選手の入場です。
In the red corner! From Brazil! Vitor Belfort!
これよりメインイベントを行います。青コーナー178センチ83キロアンダーソン・ザ・スパイダー・シルバー。赤コーナー180センチ83キロビート・ザ・フェラン・ベルフォート。
No elbows from here. No headbutting. No to the groins. No grab rope. Okay? Strong, honest fight. Okay? Shake. Okay? Same corner. Judge. 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 Ready?
Hi, everybody, and welcome to Pride Fighting Championships. This is Stephen Quadros, the Fight Professor, alongside
Boss Rutan, a.k.a. El Guapo.
And welcome to the show.
Oh, here we go. And he just continues like he never stopped. Whoa. And yes, he gets it to the ground.
Kick that leg out, and down they went. These punches are brutal.
And another one.
And he's got that guard open once again.
Come down with a good one.
There's the half guard.
Should have closed his guard. Even worse now, mount position. You know, in the mount position, you always want to look for a high mount. Climb on the chest. So your opponent at the bottom can't start bucking up. You know, he has less leverage when you sit on the chest.
Right, and get those knees right under the armpits. He steps right over into the mount once again.
Uh-oh! That's an early one.
You gotta be careful because sometimes when you get an animal hurt, they're more dangerous.
Oh!
What a punch!
Whoa! Well, it looks like it might be the end. Yeah, this has got to be ending.
Yeah. Oh, what a punch!
Beautiful, that's it.
Hell yeah, that was a one-punch knockout.
Yeah, that'll seal the deal. Wow.
Anderson Silva with an outstanding finish.
Create space and yeah, there's a lot of power behind it, old core.
I think the key, boss, is the posturing up.
That's the whole trick. I tell everybody, the longer a strike travels, the more power it has. Oh, Baya Kasha.
ただいまの試合、勝者アンダーソン・ザ・スパイダー